Hello everybody, this is Kevin with Tower Agency. Today I'm going to give advice on how to troubleshoot errors when developing your website using WordPress. These tips will point you in the right direction when diagnosing issues on your website, and they will also refer you to some helpful resources for WordPress design and development. The top 4 areas you are going to find solutions to WordPress errors are your host, your theme, your plugins, or your WordPress Codex/framework. Google is always the first place you should go to get a quick solution, and you will often find that out-of-date plugins, themes, and the WordPress framework can cause issues. Remember to always back up your site before performing any troubleshooting. Your host or server is the connection to the database. This is where all your WordPress files are going to be stored and displayed on the internet by WordPress and your theme. If your host is not working, nothing will be displayed on your website or some error message will pop up. Some low-budget hosting sites that are available are GoDaddy.com and HostGator.com. Both provide control panels, allow you to buy a domain name, and offer single-click WordPress installation options. Another popular hosting platform is WP Engine. WP Engine is a fully managed WordPress hosting platform. There are many functions in WordPress that will require a plugin to be installed, and one of the most common errors is with newly installed plugins. These quick solutions can interfere with the theme, especially if they are incompatible with other plugins, they are incompatible with the current version of WordPress, or the plugin is outdated. If you think it is a plugin causing the problem on your site, disable each plugin one by one and isolate the problematic plugin by reinstalling each one separately. You can do this by going to your plugins section and disabling and/or deleting the plugins. Also from here, there is a link that will send you to the plugin's website, which often has helpful documentation. Before updating plugins, make sure the plugin is compatible with other plugins and the current installation of WordPress. If you cannot find the problem, visit codex.wordpress.org/plugins to read more about plugins for WordPress. You may notice that when you install or update a theme to your WordPress site, that content does not display the same way as your previous theme, and sometimes nothing shows up at all. Many popular theme providers such as ThemeForest and Elegant Themes have support pages which include documentation, forums, frequently asked questions, and common WordPress issues. Read through the forum for your theme and try to find the same error you are experiencing. If you still have not found what you are looking for, post your problem to the forum. If you cannot find the solution to your problem anywhere, visit codex.wordpress.org/theme_development to find more info about the WordPress framework and functions. If there are more complex problems you are experiencing with WordPress, such as incorrect PHP code and page templates, search codex.wordpress.org. Here you will find the owner's manual for WordPress. Also check out WordPress's support forum at wordpress.org/support, where your question has most likely already been answered. Generally, if you have done troubleshooting with your theme support, tested your plugins, and visited the WordPress Codex, you will most likely need professional assistance. If working on your WordPress database or MySQL, there is a good amount of risk, so proceed with caution, and always be saving backups of your site to prevent major loss of content. Contact our agency for more troubleshooting tips and advanced support. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the debugging process. This certainly won't be the last.